recreate one of the looks that I posted on Instagram. If you guys are not following me there, go ahead and follow me because I post pretty much daily makeup looks, and that's where I get tons of ideas for the things that I film. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids. I'm taking the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is definitely my favorite paint pot from MAC. I tried some other one and I just didn't like it. The only thing that I have to say is that this does dry really quick, so you have to work with it fast. Otherwise, you're gonna have patchiness on your lids. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I'm actually just going to take this color from the palette and I'm going to be setting the eye. I'm not taking too much because it is very pigmented, but I just want to make sure that it's not sticky when I go in with the other colors so they can blend nicely. So I'm going to take raw sienna and I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. I have a mess, so let me find one. I'm going to take my favorite brush. This is the Pro Tapered Blending Brush by Beauty Junkies. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to take raw sienna and I'm going to apply it onto the crease. My eyes are so red because yesterday, Sunday, we went with a whole bunch of like family friends up to a lake here in Utah called Pine View, and we were out there for a long time. We were pretty much all day out there and it was so much fun. We had so much fun, but my eyes are so red from the water and just, I don't know, but they're really red. And I'm gonna pick up Burnt Orange, which is almost a lighter shade of raw sienna, and I'm going to apply that to the crease as well with that same brush. Again, I'm just building up the colors. The reason why I love this brush so much is because it's so big, but it's not too big where it's going to be messy. It's just like almost like that perfect size for my lids. It's super fluffy and it's so soft and it just blends all the colors so nicely. It pretty much does all the work for me. I'm going to go in with red ochre and I'm going to apply that more directly onto the crease. I'm going to be taking this brush. This is the Pro Detailer brush by Beauty Junkies again, and I'm just going to apply that directly onto the crease. And I'm blending everything. So now I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, which is a darker brown, and I'm just going to be applying that to the outer crease just to deepen it up a bit. I'm taking the Pro Crease brush again by Beauty Junkies. I swear this is not a sponsored video. I just really like these brushes. So I'm going to apply that onto the outer crease and bringing it a little bit in. Brush again and blending. So now I'm going to move on to the lid. I'm going to use Primavera, which is this color right here, very pretty. And I'm actually going to apply a second color on the top. It's a little bit more intense, a little bit more pigmented than Primavera. This is called New Year, New Me. This is a shimmer shadow from City Color Cosmetics. Very pretty, super pigmented, and they're so creamy. So I'm going to apply that. First, I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow glitter primer, and the reason why I love this is because it's sticky, so it'll stick on to my lids. I have a problem with my lid color transferring onto my crease color. I'm not sure why, but this helps me a lot because it's sticky again and it just doesn't transfer as much. So I'm just gonna leave the eyes for a second. I've already primed my face with the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer. This is for dry skin. The reason why I use this is because, like I said, I went to the lake yesterday and my skin is so dry from the water. For my foundation, I'm going to take the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color Medium Syracuse. I just recently started using this foundation again. This is definitely one of my favorites, and I don't know why I hadn't used it. So I'm going to take literally 2 pumps. That's all I need for my entire face. I'm going to pick up a brush like this. What are these called? I guess they're foundation brushes. And I'm going to apply it onto the skin. And then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Enhancer Concealer in SX06. This is very thick, so a little goes a long way, and I love it because it's very thick in coverage, so it will cover a lot, but at the same time, you can get cakey with it. So just be careful when you apply a thick concealer because it can make you look very cakey very fast. I'm gonna try out this powder. This is the Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. One of my friends actually sent me this. It's a little sample, so it's really small. But this is supposed to be a powder that you can use for baking, but it doesn't dry out your skin like other products do when you're baking, because this contains hyaluronic acid, which hyaluronic acid is amazing for your skin. It's very good for retaining moisture. So I'm going to try this out for the first time and see how it works. I'm going to bronze up my face with this bronzer by the brand Model Co. We got this in one of our BoxyCharm boxes a while ago, and I really like it. To carve out my cheekbones, I'm going to take the Cheekathon by Benefits, and I'm going to use Hoola, and then I'm going to use a little brush that came with it, and I'm just going to apply my contour. I like to bronze up first and then contour. And grab Dallas, that blush that comes in there, and I'm just going to apply that on the cheekbones. I'm going to take this dual fiber stippling brush by Luxie as well, and I'm going to blend out the colors on the cheekbones and my jawline so they're not so harsh. Mommy duty calls, so I will be back in a minute. So I'm going to move on back to the eyes, and I'm going to be applying my wing liner using the NYC Black Liquid Eyeliner. This is my favorite. I do have a full tutorial on how I do it, so I will leave a link down below. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to the top lashes, and I'm going to apply my falsies, and then we can move on to the lower lash line. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to take raw sienna, burnt orange, and red ochre, and then just apply it to the lower lash line. I'm going to use this pencil brush from the Pretty Bar, and I'm going to just smoke out the lower lash line. I'm going to take my favorite mascara, the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One, and I'm going to coat my bottom lashes. I'm going to be pretty heavy with that because I want my lower lashes to really stand out. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of white eyeliner. This is the J-Cat Rocker Chic eyeliner in white. Now I'm going to take this Luxie Beauty palette that contains highlights, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and it is called Stiletto, and it's a intense metallic gold. It looks white, but when applied on the skin, it is gorgeous. For my lips, I'm going to take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Ashton, and I'm going to apply that on the lips, and then I'm going to go in with Mannequin by Jeffree Star just on the center to make them look a little bit plump. I really wanted to fix my hair for you guys, but it's not happening. So this is the end of this makeup look using, again, the Anastasia Renaissance palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see more looks using this palette, please let me know. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys, and I will see you on Wednesday. Love you guys. Bye.